क्लास 8th सेट 2। विच टाइप ऑफ बॉडी प्लांट इज़ अ ट्री। किस टाइप का प्लांट जो है वो बॉडी प्लांट ट्री होता है, तो ये होता है पेरेनियल। क्या होता है? पेरेनियल। वेयर इज़ द क्लोरोफिल सब्सटेंस इन द लीफ दैट कन्वर्ट लाइट एनर्जी टू केमिकल एनर्जी। मतलब लीफ के अंदर किस जगह पर जो क्लोरोफिल सब्सटेंस होता है वो लाइट एनर्जी को केमिकल एनर्जी में कन्वर्ट करता है, तो ये होता है लीफ में। किसमें? लीफ में। सैपलिंग इज यंग। सैपलिंग इज अ यंग ट्री। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज विच ऑफ दीज स्पीसीज इज गॉट फ्रॉम ट्री वर्क। ट्री वर्क से क्या चीज़ मिलती है? ठीक है, तो ट्री वर्क से मिलता है सेफ्रन। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज द कॉस्ट रेडवुड ऑफ एट रेडवुड नेशनल पार्क कैलिफोर्निया इज द दैट इज ओल्डेस्ट ट्री। क्या है? ओल्डेस्ट ट्री। द एरिया ऑफ लैंड पॉल्यूटेड विथ फ्रूट आर नट ट्रीज कॉल्ड सवाना। Which tree has prop root? Prop root is banyan tree. The trees are called lungs of the earth. क्या है? Heart of the earth. Trees are called, heart नहीं आएगा, trees are called lungs of the earth. Which tree is used for decoration as Christmas? That is pine tree. Which movement was initiated by Sundarlal Bahuguna? That is Chipko movement. That is Chipko movement. विच ट्री गिव्स एक्सीलेंट टिम्बर। कौन सा ट्री जो है वो एक्सीलेंट टिम्बर देता है? दैट इज सीसम गिव्स अस एक्सीलेंट टिम्बर। विच ट्री इन यूएस कैन बी कंसिडर्ड इक्विवेलेंट टू वन महोत्सव इन इंडिया? दैट इज वेटरियन डे। क्या है? वेटरियन डे। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज विच टाइप ऑफ which is the art of growing plant without soil is called? That is horticulture. without soil जैसे हम मनी प्लांट को ग्रो कर लेते हैं अपने घर में बॉटल में, वो क्या है? विदाउट सॉइल ग्रो करना, और ये क्या है? हॉर्टिकल्चर। द वर्ड फना इज यूज टू डिस्क्राइब एनिमल लाइफ। विच वर्ड डिस्क्राइब प्लांट? मतलब प्लांट के लिए कौन सा वर्ड यूज़ किया जाता है? दैट इज़ फ्लोरा। दैट इज़ फ्लोरा। What kind of leaves do silkworm prefer? Silkworm prefer mulberry. क्या है? Mulberry. The turning of plant part toward the sun is called, that is hydrotropism. क्या? Hydrotropism. Which causes the leaf of plant to turn yellow? That is calcium. नेक्स्ट इज व्हाट प्लांट डिसीज इज काउज्ड बाय फंगस? फंगस यानी कि रस्ट। क्या है? रस्ट। नेक्स्ट इज अमेरिकन कॉल इट ग्रीन पेपर। व्हाट डू वी कॉल इट? दैट इज कैप्सिकम। विच ट्री प्रोड्यूस लाइटेस्ट वुड? स्प्रूज। क्या है? स्प्रूज। विच प्लांट enrich the nitrogen content in soil? That is nitrogen content in soil, that is sugarcane. Which plant is cultivated by transplanting seedling? That is transplanting seedling, that is onion. Next is match the following with their description. First is root crop. Root crop goes to mustard or groundnut. Tuber crops, that is carrot and turnip. Fiber crops, that is potato and ginger. And plantation crop, that is cotton and jute. Sugar crop, that is tea and coffee. No, sugar crop goes to sugarcane. And oil seed. Okay, these are the wrong. This is the matching you have to learn. For exam. Next matching is the name of the flower with the message they. ठीक है, that is the next matching. Next question is which are the substances that are mainly found inside an egg? That is inside the egg. That is protein. Protein. क्या है? Protein. Which bird lays the smallest egg? That is hummingbird. Which bird egg are most commonly eaten by the human? That is hen. Which of these most important part of egg? That is the yolk. Baby bird being formed inside the egg need air to breathe. Air to breathe. Where is the ear located in egg? That is at the larger end. Next is what is called when birds sit on their egg to keep warm? That is the incubation. Which bird lays no egg? That is peacock. Next is which bird lays the strongest and largest egg in the world? That is ostrich. And the hard overprotective covering of an shell is called, that is shell. Which fatty substance is contained in the egg? That is cholesterol. Next one is Nandi is the Vahan of which god? Nandi is the Vahan of Lord Shiva. Who lifted the Govardhan mountain to save people from the wrath of India? That is Krishna. In Hindu mythology, who is स्वाहा husband? मतलब स्वाहा के husband कौन थे? That is Agni. What is the वाहन of goddess Lakshmi? That is owl. ओवल नहीं है, that is owl. Who along with Brahma and Vishnu forms the trinity of Hinduism? That is Mahesh. Next is in Hindu mythology, whose Varn is buffalo? किसका वाहन है? Whose वाहन? So that is buffalo is the वाहन of Yama. The Gayatri mantra is devoted to which deity? That is Surya. Next question is whose finger did Dronacharya ask as Guru Dakshina? That is Eklavya. Which was the second of the four yugas in Hindu mythology? That is Treta Yuga. According to Hindu mythology, who was the famous husband of Damayanti? That is Nal. Next question is common salt is made of two chemical elements, that is one of the sodium and other one is chlorine, that is NaCl. क्या होता है? NaCl, sodium chloride. Which chemical represented by the chemical formula HCl? That is hydrochloric acid. Which of the following gas is used as fire extinguisher? That is CO2. Which of the following chemical compound is used to prepare vinegar? That is acetic acid. What is the chemical formula of sulfuric acid? Sulfuric acid, that is H2SO4. NH2CO NH2 is used as a fertilizer and it is commonly known as urea. Lime calcium hydroxide that is used to whitewash the building is represented by the formula of CaOH का whole twice, that is lime water. Next one is match the following compound with their chemical formulas. Next, take the correct. Which hormones act directly on tissues and influence the growth of bones and muscles? That is adrenaline. Which hormones elevate the blood glucose level to overcome pain, emotion, distress, severe cold? That is blood glucose, that is thyroxine. Which hormone lowers the glucose level in the blood? That is insulin. Next one is ऑस्टेटेरोन. ये नेक्स्ट है आपकी ये मैचिंग, इस मैचिंग को लर्न कीजिएगा. नेक्स्ट इज क्वेश्चंस हैं ये कुछ इनसे रिलेटेड, इनको लर्न करना है. ठीक है, ये आपका क्लास 8th का ये लास्ट सेट है. ठीक है, जीके का लास्ट सेट, इसके बाद सेट नहीं आएगा, लास्ट सेट. ठीक है, इसको लर्न कीजिएगा. थैंक यू, थैंक्स.